Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace an Audi Q5 remote battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task takes just a few minutes and you'll have your remote working like new. Let's get started with the first step. Next, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side of your remote and press it. This will allow you to slide out the emergency key blade. Once the blade is removed, use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Now for the battery replacement itself. Take a moment to observe how the old CR2032 battery is positioned, noting which side faces up. Gently remove the old battery from its slot. Then, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, let's reassemble your remote. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they snap securely into place. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its designated slot. Once everything is back together, test all the remote's functions like locking and unlocking to confirm your new battery is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.